Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I'm so excited because I have the new Down to Earth palette from Simply Posh Cosmetics. This is their latest launch and it is a beauty. I feel like this is a color story that's definitely good year round. You have some blues and greens, yellows, browns, oranges. You get fall vibes, summer vibes from it. I think it's a perfect transition palette into fall. And because I think this color story is so fun and I love Simply Posh Cosmetics, I am going to give one of you lucky viewers the chance to win a Down to Earth palette of your own. That's right, there is a giveaway in today's video. Read the description box or stay tuned to the end to hear some more details on how you can enter to win one of these beauties yourself. Now, this is available right now on the Simply Posh Cosmetics website. It does retail for $55. My affiliate code Steff will save you 10% off. Today I'll be creating 2 looks with Down to Earth. Let's get started. Now I've already primed my eyelids with the Morphe eyeshadow primer. Sister is here trying to look out the window, look at the birds this morning. I am wearing a blue kind of like a denim dress, so I think it's fair game with this palette. Anything is really gonna go. If you follow me on Instagram, I did a really pretty orange and green look over the weekend for one of the football games that I was attending. Really like that. So I don't know that I'm going to be using any orange today just because I want to try other shades, but I think I can get into this yellow today. This one is called Calming, and I'm taking Calming on a BK Beauty 206. And with this shade, I'm going to focus it on the upper part of the lid, kind of close to the brow bone, kind of just stamping it on. It is a lighter shade, focusing it here in the inner corner and just blending out towards the edge. Now for the next shade, I think I will go into Botanical. For this, I'm using a BK Beauty 211 brush, and that is some pretty good pigment there. Notice how Simply Posh Cosmetics, their palettes, they go from light to deep, and they usually keep the row of shimmers either in the center or at the bottom. They have a nice arrangement that makes using the palette very user-friendly. Now I'm going to go in with this gold shimmer called Oasis and apply that to the lid. Right now I'm just going to take it on my finger and just press that on. Got a little bit of fallout here. Now for the lower lash line, I think I'm going to go in with this one called Thrive. Taking Thrive on a rougher 26. I'm going to run the shade through to the edge. Now for the inner corner, I'm going to pick up the shade called Sunbaked. Okay, I think we have a completed look here. I'm going to take care of the finishing touches off camera and I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 1. Okay, so here is the completed look number 1. I'm wearing a new mascara. Sigma Beauty sent over their new mascara. This is the Lash Icon mascara. Let me show you the wand. This mascara does a little bit of everything. It's volumizing, it's lengthening, it's going to give you separation and curl. I like the wand, and this went on really nice. This is like, I guess, my second coat, little mini coat here, but I love it. So far, so good with it, and I'll be wearing it all day to test it out for you guys. But I love the way this look turned out. It was super easy to create. Simply Posh Cosmetics has a really good formula. I think it is in this palette. So far, we're good. Let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number 2. Okay, so for look number 2, I want to do something with the brown shades. Maybe do kind of like this column because I like the idea of the warm with the cool shimmer. So that could be an idea. Maybe even start, that might get a little muddy. I'm going to start here. I'm going to go in with organic, and this is likely going to be the column that I'm going to stick to. Maybe I will bring in a little bit of growth down here. This looks like a really pretty shimmer as well. I'm taking the shade Organic on my BK Beauty 206. Doing the same as I did with the first look and the yellow shade. Just focusing this up here close to the brow bone, inner corner, and bringing it all the way out to the end. Now, I think I will dip into Earth Clay next before I go into the brown. And this is a BK Beauty A502. I'll just focus that mainly in the crease. Now in a BK211, I'm going in with that brown shade called Grounded, and I'm going to focus that on the outer half. Really focusing it in the crease and this outer corner. Now I'm just taking some of my Moira glitter glue and I'm applying that directly to the lid. Now I'm going to pick up this shade right here. This one is called Soil. I feel like this is going to be the look that I wear to work today. That is so pretty. Wow, that is a beautiful shade. I love that. For the lower lash line, I think I will go back in with Earth Clay. And I'm using my Rephr 26 to apply the shade. Now I'm going to add a little bit of growth to the inner corner. Okay, guys. Ooh, it has a little pink shift to it. Really cute. I'm going to finish up the finishing. I'm going to go take care of the finishing touches. I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 2 with Down to Earth. Okay guys, so here's the completed look number 2. I really like this one. It's neutral, but it still has that pop, that really pretty sparkle. Mascara, Sigma. The eyeliner on both is a CoverGirl black eyeliner. This one I'm wearing Essence. It's a teal eyeliner for the lower waterline, and this one is a Wet n Wild one. I think it's from an old collection. Not sure if you can find this one over here on the left eye, but I love the way both of these looks turned out. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video and I'll share with you guys how you can win a Down to Earth palette of your own. Okay guys, so after working with the Down to Earth palette, the latest palette from Simply Posh Cosmetics, you get a full-size mirror. This is the traditional layout for Simply Posh Cosmetics. You are getting 18 different shades in here. Let's see, did I do my math right? 6, yes, I did. 2 rows of mattes and 1 row of shimmer, and you can see it goes from the lightest to deepest. I didn't obviously get to use every single shade in the palette, but I used enough to tell that this is the good Simply Posh Cosmetics formula that we all have come to love. You can pop these shades out, put them in your own magnetic palette, no problems there. But I do appreciate this layout. I think it's very user friendly, and you can just go down the columns and use those shades to create a look. You don't really need more than 3 shades when it comes to this palette, but feel free to mix and match, roam around the palette and create whatever looks you're inspired to create. I really love the way both of these turned out. I think I'm going to go with this one to work today. I think it just matches a little bit better, and I love this color story. Like, a color story like this for me never goes out of style. I think it's good year round. This palette is available right now for $55 on their website. My affiliate code Steff will save you 10% off of your order. Thank you so much, Kayla, the owner of Simply Posh, for sending me this palette. I ordered the palette that I am going to give to one of you lucky winners out there. And let me go ahead and give you some details right now on how you can enter today's giveaway. As with all my giveaways, they are international giveaways that are void where prohibited. Winner assumes all taxes, duties, and fees associated with final delivery. I pay to ship it to you. You need to pay whatever else you need to pay to get it from your postal service to your home. I know with the latest round of tariffs, not really sure how that's affecting anybody outside of the US, but if I do get a US winner, I'm based in the US, so we shouldn't have any issues there. But please read the instructions that are in the description box. The way I do my giveaways is I link a Google form where I just ask you to fill out some basic information. The giveaway is open today and it will close at 7 p.m. on September the 23rd. That is a Tuesday. So it's open a Tuesday through Tuesday. I will notify whoever the winner is via email. You guys will know it is me because of the questions I am going to ask you. And if you do put your Instagram name in the form, then I'll try and contact you there as well. please know that you have 24 hours to respond, or else another winner will be selected. Oh, and what do you need to do? What are some of the main things in order to enter this giveaway? You got to be subscribed to my channel, you got to like this video, and you got to leave a comment letting me know what you think of the Down to Earth palette. Which look was your favorite? Just comment your thoughts on today's video, and more especially this new palette from Simply Posh Cosmetics. I don't want to give away too many details, but there may or may not be something else coming from Simply Posh in the very near future, so stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, you guys can get some inspiration for this Down to Earth palette and be sure to enter the giveaway. Check the description box for full rules and details. And I'm so excited. This is my fall giveaway. This is us getting into the spirit, the changing of the season, and I'm just looking forward to finishing off the year strong. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'll see y'all very soon. Bye.